have here some objects. Okay, so we are going to, or you are going to identify whether they are going to float or sink. Yes. So the first object we have the empty bottle and the bottle filled with water. So you're going to see, okay, which of the two will going to sink or float. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, which one floats? Okay, the empty bottle floats. How about the bottle filled with water? Where is it? Okay, there. There. Oh. Okay, it sinks, right? Okay, why? What do you think? Why do you think it sinks?
It just and then it seems like like drawing.
Okay, it's because of density. Okay, don't you know that density, okay, has a big role why things float and sink? Okay, if the object is more dense, okay, like this one, the bottle filled with water, it will sink. Okay, but okay, object that has less dense, okay, they float just like this one. Okay, just like the empty bottle. Okay, look. Okay, let's try more. Okay. Okay, how about this? Okay, next object. Okay, we have these balls. Okay, so let's try if they will go into sink or float. Okay, what do you think? Okay, did they sink or float? Okay, they float. Okay, because these balls are filled with air. Yes, very good, Abram. So they are less dense than water. Okay, how about this? We have the plastic bowl and then the ceramic bowl. Okay, let's see which one will float and which one will sink. Okay, how about the plastic? Okay, is
Sink or float?
sink or float? Okay,
How about the
float.
other one, Bram?
How about the ceramic bowl, Bram?
Or you place it on the water?
It's sink or float?
Wait, you show mommy.
Okay, you show them. Okay, it sinks. Okay, next, we have the real carrots and then the toy carrots. Okay, so let's see which one will going to float. If it is the real carrot or the toy carrots. Okay, so here. Okay, so let's see. Here, Jem, you show them. Okay. Okay, so which one floats?
This one.
Okay, the toy carrot floats, and then how about the real carrot? Okay, it sinks, Jem. Yeah, the real carrot sinks and the toy carrot floats. Okay, next. Now, let's try the poppins and then the Lego. Okay, so let's see which one will going to float, okay, and sink. Oh, hold this one, Bram. Okay, go. Okay, which one floats? Okay, the Lego. And then which one sinks? Okay, we have the poppins. Okay, next we have the spoon. We have the plastic spoon and then the metal. Okay, which is the let's see. Okay, spoon made up of metal. Okay, so let's see which one will going to float. Okay, Abram, which do you think will going to float? That one will going to float. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it's not. Okay, that sinks. Okay, both of them, even the plastic spoon sinks, right? Okay, next. How about this? Okay, How about this, Jem? What do you think? Okay, this.
Wow.
Okay, what do you think? Is this going to float or sink?
See.
Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it sinks. Okay, how about this? How about this? How about this, Abram? What do you think? Is that will going to float or sink? That's it floats. Yeah, that ground sinks. Okay, how about this? How about these two? Okay, these are numbers. Okay, what numbers are these? Number 4 and number 2. Okay, did they sink or float? No, they float. Okay, next. Oh, we have here a Ferrari car and a Lightning McQueen car. Okay, so let's see which one will float. Okay, which one floats? Okay, McQueen floats. And then, how about the Ferrari? Okay, sinks. Okay, next. We have the last one. Okay, how about these coins? Okay, what do you think? These coins. How about these coins? Are they going to float or sink? Yeah, they sink. Now, okay, goodbye everyone. You say goodbye everyone, go.
Bye.